When I started here, I chaired the operations committee for the State Transit Association, which is how I first interacted with Qstream. When I saw the Quantum, I liked it. I liked innovative things, I liked change, and it was something I reached out to Mike and started talking on.
I've been working with the Green Bay Metro for a little over 12 years, specifically with the Quantum for probably about 4. When Patty became aware of the technology and the safety and the reduction of time, she became very, very interested and wanted to pilot the product. The Quantum is completely automated. The operator simply greets the passenger, turns the system on, the passenger comes into the ADA area, and with a simple touch of a touchpad on the bottom of the ADA seat, the Quantum self-secures and the passenger is completely set. Within a minute, minute and a half, in most cases, the bus is down the road.
As compared to a traditional 4-point restraint system, I do prefer the Quantum. It's still a much more efficient and easier way of being secured in a bus. In terms of the actual use of it, it was quite simple and fairly seamless.
The Quantum allows for quicker boarding and unboarding times. You feel like a typical passenger because you're not taking that extra time to have a driver help you to hook up. You can just secure yourself, and it takes like 20 to 30 seconds maybe, and you're secure and you just go about your way.
They feel more secure, and just the positivity from the mobility passengers getting on, you can feel like, oh, I can do this by myself and you don't have to assist me.
Regarding the Quantum, it would save them a lot of time, especially keeping the buses on time. That's what we've noticed here. If the bus is running down and you get like 2 or 3 wheelchairs, having a Quantum on there definitely makes a big difference.
When you start piecing in the savings from a liability perspective, the schedule adherences, keeping things on time, not having to send shadow buses, all of that comes into play.
When you look at the passenger's benefit, maximum integrity, maximum safety, maximum independence. It doesn't get any better than that.